Zhongshan Alltop Lighting Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional manufacturer engaged in research, development, sales, and service of solar AC street, flood, garden lights, solar AC/DC fans, multifunctional solar home system, and some other AC solar-powered products. We are located in Guangdong with convenient transportation access. We have made great efforts to develop overseas market. We have attended more than 50 overseas exhibitions since the year of 2016 and established a branch office in Kenya in 2017. With a powerful R&D department, which has more than 20 engineers, we have got over 100 patents for our self-developed products and obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, China Energy Savings certification, SGS, CB, CE, ROSE, TUV, and some other certificates. In addition, we have one excellent QC team to ensure the goods quality. Our products have been exported to many countries and regions as South America, North America, Africa, Mideast, Southeast Asia. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. As a leading lighting company, we have obtained good reputation among customers with quality products, full sales service, and competitive price. Our vision is among all to be top and help customer obtain good business with mutual benefit. We warmly welcome customer to send request and achieve common success.